Looking for the ultimate gaming laptop in 2025? Today we're comparing the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 and the ROG Strix Scar 16 to see which one is truly worth your money. We'll break down their gaming power performance and whether that dual screen setup is a game changer or just a gimmick. Watch till the end because by the time we're done, you'll know which one is the real winner. Links for the latest prices are in the description. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps me out. The Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 and the Asus ROG Strix Scar 16 both belong to Asus's high-end gaming lineup, but they take different approaches when it comes to build quality, design, and port selection. The Zephyrus Duo 16 embraces a more premium and futuristic aesthetic with a slim, all-metal chassis that exudes sophistication. Despite incorporating dual displays, Asus has managed to keep it relatively thin at just 0.81 inches, making it one of the more compact high-performance gaming laptops. The secondary ScreenPad Plus not only enhances functionality, but also adds to its unique look, tilting up when opened to create a more immersive multi-screen experience. In contrast, the Strix Scar 16 leans into the bold and aggressive gamer aesthetic, featuring a semi-transparent plastic chassis, heavy RGB lighting, and an overall bulkier frame. While the design is eye-catching and nostalgic for fans of classic gaming hardware, the plastic construction doesn't quite match the premium feel of the Zephyrus Duo 16. The Scar 16's build quality is solid, but it exhibits noticeable screen flex and is more prone to smudges compared to the Duo 16's metal chassis. In terms of port selection, both laptops offer an extensive array of connectivity options, though there are some key differences. The Zephyrus Duo 16 is well equipped with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and a micro SD card reader, catering to both gamers and content creators. The micro SD slot is a useful addition for creative professionals, something that's missing on the Scar 16. The Scar 16, however, offers a slightly different layout, with two USB-A ports, dual USB-C, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The addition of Thunderbolt 4 is an advantage for those looking to connect high-speed external storage or docks, a feature absent from the Zephyrus Duo 16. While both machines offer ample connectivity, the Duo 16 has a more well-rounded selection for creators, while the Scar 16 maintains a gamer-focused approach with its RGB-heavy aesthetic and larger frame. Both feature high-end displays tailored for gaming, but they take different approaches. The Zephyrus Duo 16's standout feature is its dual-screen setup, with the main 16-inch mini LED display offering a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 240 Hz refresh rate. This panel excels in brightness and color accuracy, making it an excellent choice for immersive gameplay and content creation. The secondary touchscreen, the ScreenPad Plus, tilts upward when opened, providing an additional workspace for multitasking. While this extra display is genuinely useful for secondary functions like monitoring chat, controlling music, or referencing guides, some users may find transitioning between the two screens slightly inconsistent. On the other hand, the Scar 16 also boasts a 16-inch mini LED panel, but its Nebula HDR display brings even more impressive brightness levels, peaking at 1100 nits in HDR mode. With the same 2560 by 1600 resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate, it delivers outstanding visuals with deep blacks, vivid colors, and exceptional HDR support, thanks to its 2000+ dimming zones. While both displays are among the best in gaming laptops, the Scar 16 edges ahead in pure HDR brightness and contrast, whereas the Zephyrus Duo 16 provides a unique dual-screen experience that some users will find invaluable. When it comes to the keyboard and touchpad experience, the Zephyrus Duo 16's design forces an unconventional layout. Because of the second screen, the keyboard is positioned right at the edge of the chassis, leaving no space for a wrist rest. While the keys are responsive and well-built, prolonged typing can feel less comfortable due to the lack of palm support. The touchpad is small and crammed into the lower right corner, doubling as a number pad when needed, which takes some getting used to. The Scar 16, in contrast, follows a more traditional layout, offering a spacious keyboard with good key travel, making typing more comfortable for extended gaming or work sessions. The trackpad is large, smooth, and responsive, though the integrated numpad feature can sometimes be accidentally triggered. Overall, the Scar 16 provides a more ergonomic keyboard and touchpad experience, whereas the Zephyrus Duo 16 requires an adjustment period due to its unconventional layout. Battery life is a weak point for both laptops, but the Zephyrus Duo 16 struggles even more due to its dual-screen setup. In testing, it lasted just over 3 hours, a direct result of its power-hungry components and the additional touchscreen drawing extra energy. The Scar 16, despite also housing high-performance hardware, manages to slightly outlast the Zephyrus, thanks to its 90 watt-hour battery and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus support. However, even with these features, it still delivers only around 3 hours of battery life under normal usage. Neither laptop is built for extended unplugged sessions, and both are best used with a charger nearby. Both are two high-end gaming laptops with powerful hardware, but they cater to slightly different audiences. The Zephyrus Duo 16 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX, while the Strix Scar 16 features Intel's latest Core i9-14900HX. Both processors offer exceptional multi-core performance, but the Ryzen 9, with its 16 cores and 32 threads, excels in power efficiency and sustained workloads, making it a strong choice for extended gaming sessions and content creation. The Core i9-14900HX, on the other hand, provides slightly better single-core performance, which benefits tasks like real-time gaming responsiveness and high refresh gameplay. In terms of gaming, both laptops feature the NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, capable of running modern AAA titles at ultra settings. The Zephyrus Duo 16, with its 240Hz mini LED display, delivers an immersive experience with deep blacks and high contrast, while the Strix Scar 16's Nebula HDR panel enhances visuals with an ultra-bright 1100 nit peak brightness and superior HDR performance. The Zephyrus Duo 16's dual-screen setup offers an additional advantage for multitasking, allowing streamers and content creators to manage overlays or secondary applications without minimizing their game. However, its unconventional keyboard and touchpad placement may take time to get used to, whereas the Strix Scar 16's layout feels more traditional and comfortable for competitive gaming. For video editing and creative workloads, the Zephyrus Duo 16 benefits from AMD's strong multi-core performance and its dual display functionality, which provides extra workspace for timeline editing and tool management. The Strix Scar 16, with its powerful Intel CPU and high-speed DDR5 RAM, performs exceptionally well in rendering tasks, though it lacks the added convenience of a secondary touchscreen. While both machines handle demanding workloads with ease, the Zephyrus Duo 16 leans towards creators who want more screen real estate, while the Strix Scar 16 remains a powerhouse for pure gaming performance. Both laptops are gaming beasts, but the ROG Strix Scar 16 takes the win with its superior HDR display, better keyboard layout, and slightly better battery life. However, if you need a dual-screen setup for content creation, the Zephyrus Duo 16 is unbeatable.